What's up, everybody? I'm back. Brendan Fallis. You might have seen me before. Just joking. You're probably subscribed to my channel. If you're not, click that button right over here, right down there. Get involved. A couple people are watching this. Maybe you should be too. But today we're talking compost. My wife, Hannah, I love her dearly, but she wanted to start a compost because we've been living out here in Long Island for 80 days, 75 days straight, 80 days straight. Kind of losing track of time. But everyone knows how the stay home effect goes. So we've been out here, so she thought it'd be cool to start a compost. And here's what happened. She took some food scraps, she just laid them on the ground and said, I started a compost, which, let's be fair, we didn't do any research before that started. I say we because as a great couple, you're in these things together. It's the onus is also on me. I could have guided her a bit, but I came out to find just a pile of food scraps behind a tree on our lawn, which, as you can guess, literally just attracts animals. And what do we not want on our yard? It's more raccoons, more mice, more squirrels, rats, who knows what's out here. Possums, we saw a possum the other day. So we'd like to keep those off our property. So I'll purchase a proper compost. I'm gonna show Hannah. I think I told her it's coming, but I'm unsure. So we're gonna get this going. We're gonna get in our compost life, start doing things right, and get rid of this compost pile, which is frankly just looking really sad. I don't know if you would use that dirt. Ugh, it smells bad too. All right, let's put this thing together. So I just unpacked the box. Did a lot of research online, a couple good ones. We're just looking for something you can tumble. So I found this one from Miracle Grow. I trusted a brand name, seemed like a good idea. This is not a sponsored post, but I'll leave a link from where I got it down here. Hopefully it works well. If you've got experience with it, please leave it in the comments. Let us know how you're composting, but I'm gonna build this thing, show my wife, and get our compost on. Let me in. Look what came.
What came, babe?
Guess what you don't have to do anymore? You don't have to put food scraps outside.
Oh my gosh! Our compost!
Yeah.
Babe!
See, someone's excited. Oh, pole falling.
Oh my god.
Careful, careful.
My foot.
Almost on your toe. Should be a 5-minute put together. You want to help me?
No, I'm about to get on a call. Love you.
All right.
Babe, this is so exciting.
No. All right, I'm gonna put this together and show you after.
Okay.
Can you take your call here so you can see it after?
Yes.
Great. I'll just be right here. Short a screwdriver. Gotta go get that really quick. This is an under 10-minute project. We're racing against the clock. Trying to make this thing work. Screwdriver found. Unorganized tool area. Another project. Let's pretend you don't know about that. Yeah. While we're building, Hannah's looking at pictures of her mom and dad. Wow.
I think my dad has a chain. Brendan, your hair is insane right
Does it
now.
look good?
It looks wild.
How do I look?
I'm 90% sure your dad's got a chain there.
And a beard. That's why your mom said the beard looked familiar when I had one.
My mom.
It's kind of like The Price is Right. And you want a car.
Fertilizer!
You want a compost bin. All right.
Yeah, I think those are together.
Hands.
Wow.
That's it.
Amazing.
Congrats. You're now the proud owner.
How does it work?
Well, this thing locks right here.
Yep, so it doesn't rotate, so you keep that up.
Rotate, just keep that up. You put in there,
Stuff.
close it, stuff in there, unlock, and then you spin the wheel of destiny.
Oh my god, it's like a Wheel of Fortune compost.
Exactly.
Price is Right.
Price is Right, actually.
Oh my god.
Spin it again.
Guess what it also came with? A complimentary set of gloves for you.
Amazing.
Want to try one on?
Sure.
You can use those to clean up the scraps that are out there already.
You don't
Nope.
want to just do that if you're gonna bring it over there?
Oh, you don't?
You know what? You could also type in those.
Yeah, you could type in those. It would look really chic, color coordinated. All right, give me that glove. I'm gonna get all the
Thank you, baby.
Existing gross scraps. That's what a good husband does. As you can see, someone was so jazzed about composting. It was actually Buzz, not Hannah. But she's gonna get into it. We're gonna put her name on these gloves with the black Sharpie.
And how good is the garden going to be next year?
The garden's gonna be great next year.
Gotta make sure you don't get those dudes in the compost.
Whoa,
Yeah.
slug life.
Wait, they are everywhere.
Yeah, I
back
think we'll just
here.
leave this. We should just bury this. Gloves, check. Slugs, no check.
Loving husband, check.
Because you can still have like ants and stuff in there, or no?
Well, I don't know.
I don't
think
know.
they're never going to be able to escape, and they just eventually kind of
It's just so like things are eating through this shit. There's a
toss
lot
it
of
in the
bugs.
woods.
Yeah. Let's go with a no. Let's start fresh. Just get rid of this stuff. Put this on the other side of the fence where the animals come to eat.
Still your property. Important to note.
In the property. It's true. That is important to know. Ah!
Feeding the local wildlife.
That, my friends, is how you clean up a new compost area. So we'll just set it here. All right. That's it. It's in there. Composting. We're gonna do a little better. Provide back to the earth from our kitchen to our garden. Hopefully plant it around some of this stuff so we can allow our carrots to grow, our strawberries to grow, our cilantro to grow, our rosemary, our chives, our kale. But in general, it was Hannah's idea. Do good things, help recycle, help make the world a better place. Just the little things, you know, one step at a time. All right, Hannah.
I'm looking at this right here. JIC, just in case. Just in case.
This is the first compost. We must do it. It's gotta happen.
Do we want to save these jalapenos?
Nope. Compost them, baby. Oh, no such thing as wasting food. I'm excited to see the first delivery. Let's do it. And we are off. Oh, get that content. Compost number 1. We are excited. You're not wearing your gloves. You're also wearing a beautiful dress. Looking very chic.
First time for everything.
All right. Entering the compost area. There it is. Slide it. How do you feel?
I feel really good. There we go. It'll get more exciting as
I
it goes
know.
on, and there gets more stuff to go in there.
I
More
love you.
biodegradable goodness for the earth.
I think you did a great job.
Thanks, babe. Thanks so much for setting it up. I'm excited that we're doing something nice with the
I
environment.
agree. I'm excited you're into it.
It's really cool. Oh, look at the moon right now.
There it is. All right. We'll report back when we have soil to show.
Might be a couple months.
Might be in September, but thanks for watching. Subscribe right here. Compost like Hannah. Do better. Give back to the earth. Hands, look what came. You scared me.